have discussed at length today about the incident, and we have taken some decisions today. First one is to ensure that no outsiders will be or unauthorized person will be allowed to enter the building because of some safety measures. The other part is to cover that entire open area of that dome portion which has collapsed to ensure that there's no water leakage in the building. Now we have decided also, which is very, very important, a third party audit who will give us the reason why or the reasons of the collapse of the entire construction.
Following the inspection at the new assembly building at Mawdiangdiang, a high power committee meeting was held here at the old Meghalaya Legislative Assembly building. In the HPC meeting, they have decided to engage a third party audit who will inquire or investigate about what exactly happened at this new assembly building, what led to the collapse of the dome. Until then, work has been halted till the audit team submits the report, and then the next course of action will be taken. This is Princess Rashir for EastMojo.com in Shillong.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to EastMojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.